this idea of writing a book, actually, I started writing 2 years ago. It took me 2 years by the time I finished the book.
I am a little chary about people who talk about spirituality, because it's something like you have a stomach ache, you have a headache, you need to take the medicine. You don't talk about the medicine. If you just say streptomycin or streptoanacin or aspro, your headache is not going to go away. Quietly take a pill, pop it with water, and it will surely go away. So I was not prepared to accept that. In fact, the problem with me is I have gone into too many things of the scriptural aspects of Hindu philosophy. So I always discount people who talk of spirituality. ठीक है, ये भी एक पुस्तक है. Spirituality is nothing but recognition of the fact that a particular entity consists of something more than what you see. Now I see a human being in a particular shape, man, woman, child, whatever. Something energizes that person. Because without that it's a dead body. I mean, we don't recognize dead bodies, we take them and dafna or burn the dead body. The ultimate step is you remove the barrier from everybody else, and then you recognize what they say, Brahmai Vedam Sarvam, that is what the Upanishads teach us. They say, you recognize Tvai Mai Sarvatraiko Vishnu, Vyartham Kupyasi Mai Asa Vishnu, say Shankaracharya. Recognize that I am there in you, I am there in you, I am there in you. If that is so, how can I be angry with you? How can I quarrel with her? Because it would be as absurd as quarreling with myself. That is the thing. If you are able to develop that kind of a vision, that is spirituality. What else is it?
Cricketers invariably pretend to be habitual more than superstitious. We have our own ways of saying that it's a habit and we are not superstitious, but within our hearts we know that we are superstitious. I've also mentioned that, and I wish I was here to understand more about spirituality. This discussion was really interesting, but I just came to briefly thank you and congratulate you for everything that you've done.
I believe that this world is incomplete, 99. And we always find something missing in our life, in this world. To make ourselves completely full, contented, full happiness, we really need to find out what the one missing word. I give you a small example. There was a very rich billionaire अमेरिका में थे वो, और उनके पास almost he had $24 billion in his bank, and when he was admitted to hospital for certain operation, then all the press media went to him and asked him, you must be fully happy in your life, you have so much money lying in cash and kind in your bank, what is anything missing in your life, or are you fully happy or not? He said, no, I am not at all happy, because my target was $25 billion. So this $1 billion missing made him very unhappy. So I'm sure that today Smita ji will explain to us, and of course through her process of self-realization and through her book, she will tell us what is this missing I.
Each person has a higher soul who guides him. Every human being. It's just that we don't pay attention to that call. So often we say, oh, thank God I didn't go there. Thank God I took this. So often we say that. And what was that call? That thank God I didn't do this, or thank God I did that. That is the talk and chat with your higher self. And every human being born on this planet Earth is guided with this thought.
I have written one small poem for her. I would request her, if she can come on the stage, I would like to speak this poem. स्मिता जी, यह मुस्कान आपकी सुंदरता की पहचान है। सौम्य स्वभाव आपका रिश्तों में भरता नई जान है। संसार की लीला को आपने दिव्यता से देखा है, एकता के सूत्र द्वारा सब में परमात्मा को जाना है। शांति का यह संदेश आपका यूं ही फैलता जाए, सब लोगों को वर्तमान में जीने की कला सिखाए।
It made me felt good when I heard that at this right place we are going to launch a book on meditation, a book on a life of a seeker. And that's the right purpose or a direction of any seeker, I would say. When I've gone through the book of Smita ji, I could see the life of a spiritual seeker.
Thank you all my friends, you each and everyone who's been present here for me. I really don't know, I'm overwhelmed with the presence. I don't know what to say just now, honestly. I'm really touched by each and every person who's been here. And thank you for making this day, this moment such a important and such a special day for me.